this is what she looks like without the saddlebags. There goes my glove again. And yeah, this is the view I've been telling you guys. Not that pretty, but that audio Plex up there looks a little hideous. Thanks for tuning in to another video. I'm just out here, Sunday afternoon ride. No fairing, as you can see. That's the way she looks. No saddlebags. It's like 70 degrees right now. It's beautiful weather. Cali. Can't complain out here for sure. Now, thinking about moving, you know, I gotta look for a place close by. Should be in California, but I mean, you can ride year-round here in San Jose, here in California. You know, anywhere in California, pretty much. The speakers don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, it's very nice out here. And I'm just bringing this video just so you guys can see what I was talking about. Because I had mentioned, you know, it's a quick detach saddlebags. Also a quick detach fairing, and as I mentioned before in another video, the speakers themselves, they are pretty much, they're not a quick detach, but they are a detach component or a part. You know, it'd be nice that it kind of take off the fairing and take off the saddlebags, you know, take off that extra weight off and just enjoy the ride. So now I could, and I have removed the audio Plex system usually when I don't have the fairing, because I just don't like the way she looks without the fairing. And I'll show you guys right now what that looks like. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, they don't look too bad. They don't look too bad from this perspective. You know, the speakers are pretty much behind the risers. They don't look too bad. Not that bad at all, you know. But looking at it from the other side, you'll see what I mean. Now this is what she looks like without the saddlebags, without the fairing, but we have the Plex audio on there still. And as I mentioned on the quick detach video, I was having some issues with removing the risers for some reason, because of the tube design, the kickback design on it. They the bottom piece of the risers, they actually move. So this is what she looks like without the saddlebags. There goes my glove again. And yeah, this is the view I've been telling you guys. Not that pretty, but that audio Plex up there looks a little hideous. Now if you go back to my other videos, you can see how she looks without the audio Plex. She looks really nice. I actually cleaned her up. As you can see, the wheels, they look nice wet. So just go ahead and take a picture so I could post it. That way you guys can see and get a picture right here without my shadow. This is what she looks like with the Plex audio still installed. As I mentioned, not that pretty. Maybe if they had a different design on top, maybe she looked a little different. That's the way I'm riding her right now. She don't look too good, but from my point of view, right here, she looks great. She sounds great too, because I'm riding around Sunday afternoon with some oldies. So this is just a quick video, just showing you guys what she looks like. Risers, stock bars, Saddlemen seat, and yeah, just if I were just to take off the fairing and the saddlebags, that's about 5 minutes. As in the other video, to take off the audio Plex, that took me about 5 minutes in itself. And if you calculate looking for the ratchet and everything, the tools, and then placing it down, you add a couple more minutes. So max maybe 14-15 minutes max to convert this bike down to bare bones street bob. And then, you know, put that stuff back on, another 10-14 minutes. I mean, just to put the saddlebags alone and the fairing, that's easy 5 minutes, and it's done. It's basically a bagger. All right, so thanks for tuning in. There's a lot of videos up there on my YouTube channel. If you guys are wondering how to install all these parts, all these aftermarket parts, you can. Anybody can do it, you know. I was able to do it. If you guys are wondering how to install the risers, the Plex audio system, I have videos on my channel. And I don't have a lift. I don't have any specialty tools except for the needle nose, not the needle nose, the what are they called? The locks, I can't even remember what it's called. Pretty much the only specialty tool you need for working on a bike like this, or any type of motorcycle. You can use ratchets, wrenches. You know, the only thing I would recommend is Allen wrench, ratchets, sockets. That's pretty much the only thing I would strongly recommend for anybody to get. You can find that stuff on at Chicago Freight. Chicago Freight's basically the China tool store that we have here in California. Chicago Freight tools are super cheap, and everything's made in China. So thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, you guys have a nice day. Later.